NUCW! Introducing first, hailing from Odin's Hall, they are the team of Nitrus Molotov, Zack, Blane, the sons of Valhalla! And introducing their opponents. Introducing the team of Hardcore Honcho, Verge Mires, and the headliner, Mac!
Let's get it up now, here we go! Let's go! I can't hear you! Stop, the idiots don't care. They're too stupid to know that you won't let them shoot. And they're not worth your time. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Yeah. Ring the bell! Ring the bell!
Hey, this is how we do things here, man.
Let's go. Off the road.
You don't know here's some hot action starting off.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, guys, make some noise. Let's do it. Don't shoot the door.
Let's go now. I can't hear you.
Cheer them up, guys. We got Eddie Mac making his long-time waited return. It's been a while. And he's proud of form.
Sounds like he brought half his family with him. We had 3 people in the crowd.
Come on, Nitrus.
Yeah. We got 3 of us.
Back down! Back down!
These guys are
Remember the other.
That's what happened. Too lazy to the chairs, and they're good. He can't handle it anymore.
the big right hands. Just massive blows to Eddie Mac's chin. So
do you think if they stole the championships and just ran off that show and just hold on to it now? That makes them our tag team champions in the end. Maybe if you had control of your company, things like that wouldn't happen. That's why I'm here.
Respect the All Father's wishes.
Respect
the All Father's wishes.
I think you're the only face in this match.
Come on.
I think that's what we're supposed to be cheering for.
Come on.
Eddie Mac with the chin.
Come on. Come on, Nitrus.
I was thinking that Nitrus over for a couple seconds. I mean,
Never seen him. Man,
Hardcore Honcho.
It's just elbow.
He's one of your boys, isn't he, Esquire? I'm sorry, Mr. Esquire?
Come on, Nitrus.
Old Verge. I have all kinds of people here at Verge, and I go way back.
Come on, Nitrus.
Amazing wrestler, amazing talent, as you can see. And he is taking He is something. He's pretty good with a can blade, from what I remember.
How is your head, by the way? I mean,
I finally got clear, but I think it's because Mr. Esquire paid off the doctor.
hands coming from
Get back to the action.
Big flying for him. That was a big flying for him. That was a big man that had to took that shot.
And it's moves like that that don't take people out the sides like Verge, right? You gotta be willing to put it all on the line here. Because when it's go time, you gotta leave it all on the line.
And your champions are holding up very well.
Vicious uppercuts there in the corner.
I don't want to say our champions because they're not our champions. They're your champions, and this is your company.
Come on now. Come on now.
These are my champions.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
What we got here?
Misjudge that there, the knees hurt.
Oh my God.
I mean, Verge taking advantage of it. He needs to at this point.
Okay, we
Had the ball
got
picked up.
a veteran in Ricky and Brandon Todd here, so.
Keeping everything under control. Calling it shot in the middle.
Yeah, he wouldn't let an injured man. He looks like he's up down.
It's been a while since he's been maybe returned here recently. It's also his. He's been on the street.
He's getting up.
Beautiful tag team work right here.
Beautiful tag team work.
Hey, that was amazing. That was a great distraction. I was amazed.
I think the crowd saw the tag. Everybody heard it, right? Everyone heard the tag.
No one heard the tag. That wasn't a tag. Come on now. But they were, oh man. Do you have to say they are working great?
Against beautiful tag team.
It's amazing teamwork right there.
Kidding me.
The biggest man in the ring.
Almost had him.
Almost.
Zack Blane, he's not handling that very well. Look at how angry he is.
Oh yeah, no, it's not going to go over well. There's a legitimate tag.
One elbow. Two elbows. Do we get a third?
Oh,
God, I hope not. Man, that hurt me.
oh, this is
To the back of the neck. That is like one of the worst spots to get. Well, I mean,
That's
you know,
like
you know what
chiropractic
it's
is.
I think I've been attacked several times behind the back by Mr. Esquire and his companion, compatriot.
Always crying about something. Always crying.
Come on now here.
I'm not going to say anything. You pay me very well. That $2 a week I get is awesome. Thank you, sir. You get paid? It's $2.25 for food stamps. You have to get paid. Oh, you messed it up. Massive. But it don't look like they're
Tag.
It don't look like they're tag teams.
Go on. Come on, Nitrus.
Whoa. Hey, we wanted Eddie back in the ring. We want to see what he's got here.
Mr. Esquire, when
power Eddie man. Blane back in the statement again. And going after Matt.
You're not going to do anything?
what was that?
I mean, I don't think he can really do anything, Verge. I mean,
and choke right there. Super clean move.
I think he had him hooked somewhere else.
The ref wasn't counting anything. I think it was totally legal.
Totally illegal. Yeah, correct. Totally illegal.
Do it! Do it! Come on, Nitrus!
What's he gonna do here?
Eddie Mack getting some support from the crowd here, but
That's been doing too much. Is he tapping out?
Oh my gosh. I mean, he's cranking on that knee and ankle.
That's not encouraging coming from his tag team partner, I swear it.
Yeah. You know what? I've been around Eddie Mack a few times.
Oh, come on!
Guys.
What are we doing?
Hey, that is great teamwork right there. Excellent strategy. Working together as a team to accomplish their goals.
Hey, you know what? You know what? I think we need to hear something. I don't think the fans need to say something like let's start going like Eddie Mack, Eddie Mack, Eddie Mack,
Eddie Mack. There we go. Get these guys here. Cheer for them, guys.
in the chorus while Zach Blane stalks his opponent.
He said it's been a while. He's got a ring. Eddie Mack's a force to be reckoned with. It's been a while since
Zachary Blane's been
He's been on a while, but he's coming back. I think some good things will happen. He goes after the other leg. I mean, yeah.
they put it to the face,
Man.
I think Zach Blane's tired of playing around with Eddie Mack. He's tired of the crowd chanting Eddie Mack's name. He's ready to put this match together and call it a night.
He's tired of that. They're behind Eddie.
I think so.
Well, all the Eddie Mack cheers in the world clearly didn't protect Eddie Mack from that wishbone right there. Chanting his name all at once.
I mean, that hurt me.
Oh, look, there's an opportunity to tag the Verge.
What are you doing? Your team's not working together here. What's going on? I mean, technically both of them. Well, yeah, both of them are his team, but I mean, what is it?
It is a strategy there employed by Verge. Maybe he's a little tired right now. He was in the ring for quite a while. There was a lot of double team going on. He needs to recover and give Eddie Mack a chance.
See y'all for this call.
I guess I can see your point on that. I guess, but you know.
Who are we listening to?
Eddie Mack's corner is fading fast. Eddie Mack's people have represented all that.
Let's go, Eddie! Eddie Mack! Eddie Mack! Eddie Mack! Eddie Mack!
They're starting to support each other.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, Verge!
Hey, what?
That's enough.
What are you talking about? Oh, what is this?
Hey, you know what? I'm not done.
What?
Let's do some more, guys. What do you say? Come on, let's hear it for Eddie Mack.
Are you serious? On the way to come back, man. I'm going to do this to somebody. What is going on? I have no idea what these guys are doing. This is wrong, man.
Mr. Esquire, what are you doing?
Hey, why don't you mind your business, Westlake?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look over here. Look. This ain't right, man. This is wrong. Oh my Jesus!
Is he going to fly that far? That's a long way.
Oh my God, he's gonna kill Eddie. He's gonna kill him.
Let's hear those Eddie Mack chants now, everybody.
Hey.
See ya.
Ding, ding, ding.